Because of Manipur situation, we do not know now, are the days evil or are people's evils? Matam na mi hatpra, mi na mi hatpra. We don't know now. In this kind of situation, I want to talk about 3 points. Point number 1, where are you? Where are you? Theologian or Bible student? Where are you? Even from the cookie, where are you? All the cookie theologian? Where are you? All the cookie trainer? Where are you? All the Naga trainer theologian? Why are you so silent? And here, your peoples, that also laymen, they are trying to defend their own land. They are trying to defend the peoples. But why are you so silent? You don't want to talk about something to save your people? Not only theologians, even the, let's say, political leaders. Why are you so silent? Point number 2, about peace. Now in this kind of situation, if I talk about peace, they may remove my eyes, they may remove my nose also. Now, being a Naga, if I talk about peace and forgive, let's forgive the cookies. Surely my own people, they may come and kill me. So likewise, suppose if I'm now cookie and talk about peace and forgive Nagas, surely even cookie, my own people, they may come and kill me. So the situation is so critical, so difficult to talk about peace. Now those who talk about peace, they hate. But those who talk about war, those who talk about fight, they love, they support. And point number 3, I want to talk about what is your response? What is your response? The Bible says, feed and also forgive. That also your enemies, that also your real enemies. Your enemies is Satan, of course, but your enemies is here. For cookie, it is Naga. For Naga, it is cookie. Can you about to feed? Can you about to forgive your enemies in this kind of situation? It is so funny. Are you thinking that forgive and feed, love your enemies, those things have to do according to the situation? Now in this kind of critical situation, we cannot about to follow, or how? If we think that this is have to practice, those things have to apply in our life according to the situation, means you are a situation Christian. Or maybe you are a Sunday Christian. Only Sunday you can about to forgive. Only Sunday you are praying for your enemies. Maybe you are holding a dead Bible. Therefore, you cannot about to practice. But what does the Bible say about forgive, about love, about feed? Those things have to practice. Our Bible is not just for theory. It is not just a book. It is not just a poem. We have to practice what we believe, what we learn, and what we see, what we heard from this. Because this Bible is the living words of God. It is written by the Holy Spirit. One day this earth will pass away. This Bible, let's say even one jot of the words will not pass away. Therefore, let's practice, let's apply. Not in the situation, not only in the Sunday. May God bless you all, my dearest brother and sister.